Mommy Track Daddy Whispers podcast is now called Birth Agni Podcast.
यूजुअली ये हॉस्पिटल वाले क्या बोलते हैं कि आपका ट्विन है ना, आपको हम एक बच्चे पे इतना डिस्काउंट दे देंगे। आयु मतलब क्या आपको क्या लग रहा है कि मेरे बच्चे मतलब क्या पैकेज, किस चीज का पैकेज दे रहे हो आप मुझे? दिस हैज गॉन टू द लेवल ऑफ इंसैनिटी। यू कांट अंडर लाइक, नो यू कैन नॉट सेल एवरीथिंग।
This is the Birth Agni podcast, the fire that brings us alive, that burns myths and opens a channel of authentic natural birth stories. This show debunks the many myths of the medicalized births, showcases the plethora of choices a pregnant couple can make to embark on their empowered birth journey. I'm Divya Kapoor, a certified birth and lactation counselor and an aspiring traditional birth attendant. Let's get the flames blazing high. This is Meenakshi's home birth story. After birthing her twins vaginally in a hospital. One of the things that stands out in this story is how deep birth is, how deep the learnings that we get from birth are. And no matter the kind of experiences we've had, there's so much to learn from birth each time. I know Meenakshi from the time that I was apprenticing as a traditional birth keeper with a fellow traditional midwife. One of the things that, again, one of the things that is so wonderful about Meenakshi is that she is so curious about life, about the overall gifts of the journey that we are having on this earth as women in this body. She is a homeschooling mother of 3 children. She started helping women develop a good association with their wombs starting the teenage. And it is fantastic to do that, to help women have the kind of life that is so primal because there is so much noise out there. There's so much shaming around periods. There is absolute lack of wisdom when we talk of periods as a suffering, as pain as a suffering for women collectively, that women are the sufferers of their own body. It is beautiful and it is a crucial work for the community to help little girls connect with their bodies at the primal level. They're going to be unstoppable when they start doing that. There is so much power. There is the power of intuition, the mystery of magic in the women's bodies. And Meenakshi is beginning to work in that area. At one point on the podcast, she says that everybody will arrive at birth in their own ways. And the journey of birth will be tailor made according to their own unique journeys. There is no right and wrong when it comes to birth. And there is so much to learn, there is so much to unfold each time we experience this beautiful journey of pregnancy, birth, and parenthood, that everybody will see it differently from the lens, that their journey has for them, and that is for them, wherever they are, whatever they are getting out of the birth experience is what is supposed to be uh, theirs for the journey that they should be um, moving forward into. And I was so overwhelmed with what she said because there was no virtue signaling in it. There was no right and wrong. There was beauty. There was support. There was surrender, and there was no judgment on the different journeys that women take to finally arrive at what is best for them. And I loved it so much that I wanted to say that in the beginning of the episode. This story has 2 parts. And in this part today, we are going to go through her journey of birthing her twins in the hospital, what all she had to face, teaming up with the system, and what all she experienced birthing in the system, the discount on the second baby when it comes to booking a room, the charges for the birth were so inhumane, the stem cell banking, the selling of it all, the disconnection, and she speaks about it at length and so profoundly on the podcast. I loved it, and so here I am highlighting all of this in the very beginning so you don't miss it. And I know, and I really hope you love that too. For all the listeners that have been enjoying the podcast so far, there is a donation that I have, donation link that I've put up. You can absolutely rate this podcast to continue. It's free access. And if you want to support me in this journey moving forward, supporting the production, supporting the running cost of the podcast, it is laid out on this link from where, as an Indian listener, you can pay. And if you are an international listener, there is another donation link from where you can donate whatever it is that you wish to, in gratitude to all the effort that goes in to building this up. Because I'll be honest, yes, I have been funding this podcast all this while. There have been a couple of sponsors. There in India, fishing sponsors has been this year has not been helpful. So any amount that comes in will be helpful. It will be transparent and it will be on the website, and you can absolutely see where it goes. Thank you so much. Continue listening.
Hi, Meenakshi.
Hi, Divya. So good to
Finally,
be here. Finally, I know. Yes, we should
finally,
actually cheer each other up because, yeah, we made it finally.
finally, we sit together
Finally.
and we record.
Yeah, yeah.
Um, so, Meenakshi, we'll begin with your. You have three children. The first experience of birth was with twins, and now you have another baby. So, the second was a home birth, and pretty
Yeah,
much an unassisted birth, a free birth, as we call it
yeah,
today.
yeah.
So, but the first experience was in a hospital. So I want to begin कि पहला experience कैसा था? And you had, I remember the first time I met you, you had some complaints uh, for the hospital कि ये हुआ था, ऐसा हुआ था. Even before you began your journey
Hmm.
of a home birth, you were decided, but I
Hmm.
remember you had explained. So, क्या हुआ था? How was your experience?
Yeah, and so I know you and me have been together for almost more than a year now, and yeah, I know you know the story pretty much exactly like what happened, how it happened. So hospital birth was back then. I used to feel that that was the best thing that happened to me at the at that time. It's another thing that I don't feel like that because I can now see through it, right? So
Yeah,
I'm in a better state to kind of process what happened and analyze it and reflect upon it and understand where was I and how the situation actually transpired, so that this doesn't give me a very good feeling, so to say. Like i
mm,
feel i feel things were unnecessary and a lot
mm,
could have been avoided.
mm.
So
For example, what all could have been avoided?
for example, like the whole thing about induction, I I don't think I needed that. Like, I understand, like I have doctor friends, Divya, so from their perspective, if I have to think it, so I know, we live in a very complex society and nobody wants
Right.
to take the blame on them.
Yeah,
You don't know, like I don't know the doctor also doesn't know me, right? So it's a very kind of unknown space that they are also venturing into. So they have to be careful, how things can work. And so the protocol in a way helps them to keep things with the, like,
program.
yeah, within
Yeah,
the safe limits, not going into the danger zone. So yeah, that is there. Like my, key litigations, legal litigations are a very big threat, and
absolutely.
Yeah,
To
and
constantly
then
work under that.
yeah. And then hospital is an institute, it's an organization, especially corporate organization, and it works exactly like a company. So, everything, every corporate pressure that we talk about, I think doctors feel it even more.
Yeah,
सो
true.
या आई डोंट नो उनके साथ उनके पास कितनी कैपेसिटी होती है और वो किस कैपेसिटी में काम कर सकते हैं, लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि कुछ ऐसा हो सकता है जहाँ पे हमें ये पता रहे कि अगर मेरी ये नीड है तो एटलीस्ट उस नीड को मीट करने के लिए तो कोई हो ना। आई एम रेडी टू पे, आई स्पेंट अ लॉट ऑफ मनी फॉर दैट इंडक्शन ऑल्सो, जस्ट बिकॉज मेरे ट्विन बच्चे थे। सो आई वॉज क्लियरली टोल्ड बाय द कॉर्पोरेट हॉस्पिटल्स इन नोएडा that they will not take my case.
Oh, for normal birth. I
Yeah,
mean, they
yeah,
wouldn't. They suggested a surgery to you.
yeah. They said only C-section is your option because you have twin babies, and we will not let the birth go beyond 36 weeks.
Oh, that's too.
And
That's pretty
that's
early.
pretty early, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know. For some women, it might not be early, like
For
tapasya.
twins, usually they
Yeah,
are born before 36, 37, 38. But yet to put a point to that, but there are some women who go up to 40 weeks with twins as well. So so we can't like generalize.
I had heard
Yeah.
that. You know that my in-laws are from Assam. So in
Hmm.
my own family, there have been no case of twins born
Wow.
ever, so there was no experience of how it goes. But in my husband's family, there were cases and who were born at home. So I
Wow.
was aware of them, and then
Hmm.
I talked to this person and I asked her कि आपका कैसा था? अच्छा, during my pregnancy, because I was मेरे को इतना मुझे था कि मेरा बस हो, I wanted to just have a normal, absolutely natural birth, not even normal,
Hmm.
just the
Yeah.
natural birth how it is supposed to be. तो मैंने बहुत सारे औरतों से बात की थी अबाउट देयर बर्थ एक्सपीरियंस। सो मेरा the
Hmm.
9 months of my pregnancy were kind of a research wherein I was trying to understand. And मैं आती भी गांव से हूँ, तो मेरा जो एक्सपीरियंस है
Lovely.
बर्थ का वो सिटी से बिल्कुल अलग था। तो उस वजह से भी मुझे थोड़ा था कि क्योंकि आई एम नॉट फ्रॉम हियर, सो इसलिए हो सकता है मेरे परसेप्शन में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है। एंड लेट मी टॉक टू अदर गर्ल्स ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स, और या फिर मेरी फैमिली में जिनको मैंने देखा है उन्होंने कैसे किया है। मेरी माँ, चाची, ताई, दादी,
You
मामी,
were born at home.
बुआ, आई वाज बोर्न एट होम। तो फिर मुझे था कि चलो मैं उनसे बात करके थोड़ा चीज़ों को समझने की कोशिश करती हूँ, एंड दैट विल हेल्प मी, मेरे को उससे
Hmm.
मदद मिलेगी।
Hmm.
सो मैंने बात करना शुरू की, और ट्विन तो मेरे केस में कोई था नहीं। सो
Hmm.
मुझे नहीं कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं मिली अबाउट द
Hmm.
नॉर्मल बर्थ। लेकिन मेरे को घर से थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस मिल रहा था कि ट्विन हो या ना हो, बच्चे तो नॉर्मली होते हैं मतलब। And then my mother-in-law, she said like, how do you plan to? That was I think about fourth or fifth month. तो उन्होंने मुझसे पूछा
Hmm.
कि कैसे तुम करना चाह रही हो यू नो बच्चा। तो मैंने बोला कि मेरा तो है कि नॉर्मल डिलीवरी हो जाए, लेकिन यहाँ पे हॉस्पिटल्स आर नॉट वेरी अप फॉर इट। वो लोग मुझे बोल रहे हैं सिजेरियन के लिए। तो माय मदर इन लॉ सेड दैट ट्राई टू अवॉइड इट, देख लो अगर नहीं हो, सिजेरियन ऑपरेशन ना करना पड़े तो अच्छा होगा।
Yeah.
बिकॉज
Hmm.
ऑपरेशन से लेटर इन लाइफ तुमको थोड़ा सा दिक्कत होता है। तो मैंने बोला कि हाँ,
Hmm.
मैं समझती हूँ इन सब चीज़ों को, because I was 33 by that time, so I had pretty much, like by that age we know things, right? तो
Yeah.
मैंने
Yeah.
बोला कि मैंने बोला कि हाँ, मुझे भी लग रहा है कि मुझे ज़रूरत नहीं है, बट आई डोंट नो ये लोग नहीं मानेंगे। अभी तो वो
Hmm.
मुझे बोल रही है, माय डॉक्टर वाज टेलिंग मी कि नहीं नहीं हम नॉर्मल कर लेंगे, नॉर्मल कर लेंगे। तो मैंने
Hmm.
बोला कि अच्छा, अभी तो मुझे बोल रही हैं कि वो नॉर्मल करा देंगी, तो
Hmm. But
लेट्स
last
सी।
में. Hmm.
हाँ, लेट्स सी। मैंने बोला कि ठीक है, देखते हैं। तो
Hmm.
उन्होंने कहा कि ट्विन्स नॉर्मल हो जाते हैं, मेरे गाँव में हुई हुई है। तो मैंने कहा अच्छा।
Hmm.
सो मैंने फिर उनसे बोला कि मुझे उनसे बात करनी है, तो शी पुट मी इन टच विद हर एंड आई
Hmm.
स्पोक विद हर। तो उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि सी यू कम इनटू लेबर एंड बर्थ हैपेंस, राइट? इट्स जस्ट दैट।
Yeah. Yeah. As
तो
simple as that. Straightforward.
हाँ हाँ, आई नो दैट, बट मुझे ये था कि 2 बच्चों के केस में बहुत बार जो हॉस्पिटल वाले रीज़न देते हैं कि एक बच्चा इट्स लाइक
Stillborn, could be
हाँ,
stillborn.
स्टिल बॉर्न है,
Hmm.
एक बच्चा ज़्यादा लंबा नहीं रह पाता है बिकॉज़ आफ्टर
Hmm.
आफ्टर अ सर्टेन टाइम व्हेन द यूट्रस हैज़ नो स्पेस टू मूव, तो जो हेल्दी बच्चा होगा वो गेन करने लग जाएगा ज़्यादा पावर, और जो वीक होगा वो और ज़्यादा वीक होता चला जाएगा।
Hmm.
एंड मदर को भी, बिकॉज 2 बच्चे बहुत ज्यादा स्पेस लेने लग जाते हैं, देन वी डोंट नो यूट्रस रप्चर हो सकता है या ये वो, तो इन्होंने मेरे को
Hmm.
ये सब बातें
Give
बताई।
you all the
हाँ,
yeah,
फियर अगेन।
fear, yeah, fear
या
mongered
तो
you.
मैंने
Yeah.
बोला कि हाँ, तो मैंने कहा कि उनसे मैंने पूछा कि ऐसा कुछ, सैडली जितने ट्विन बर्थ्स मैंने बात की थी गांव में, एक्चुअली एक बच्चा की डेथ हो चुकी थी, मतलब ये
Hmm.
आई मीन इन मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस दे से कि ट्विन बर्थ में एक ही बच्चा बचता है, दूसरा बच्चा नहीं बचता है।
Hmm.
सो आई अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम दैट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू कि
Yeah.
ठीक है उनका
Yeah.
जो लॉजिक है, बट वो बर्थ के टाइम पे स्टिल बर्थ नहीं होता है, समटाइम्स व्हाट हैपेंस, आई डोंट नो व्हाई इट हैपेंस, आई
Before.
डोंट नो।
It's
या
because of the placenta sometimes. So when one placenta is providing to both children,
या या
and it also depends on how the connections with the blood vessels are. So
हम्म
sometimes ये होता है कि throughout pregnancy, at one point,
हम्म
the blood doesn't go, the nutrition doesn't go to one child, and the one child
हम्म
doesn't survive. Well, there's only the support is only there for another one. So it depends a lot
या
about कि कैसे बना
या
है बच्चा. Birth के time पर uh, it's not always the case. I mean, again, we can't
हम्म
generalize. Like my
हम्म
Masi had twins at home.
हम्म
So yeah, and she एक उल्टा एक सीधा. She keeps saying एक उल्टा होता. अरे twins में तो एक उल्टा एक सीधा. One is
हाँ,
breech and
एक
one is
उल्टा
head
एक,
down.
हाँ।
It's
बट
always that.
मेरे केस में दोनों बच्चे हेड डाउन थे।
Wow, that also happens.
आई हैड 2 प्लेसेंटा, दोनों बच्चे कॉन्स्टेंटली हेड डाउन पोजीशन में, एंड
Wow.
एब्सोल्युटली नो अनॉमली, मतलब मेडिकल टर्म में एवरी डॉक्टर दैट आई हैड सीन, आई स्विच टू डॉक्टर्स एंड दे वर लाइक, मेरी पहली वाली डॉक्टर तो मतलब उसको लग रहा था कि ट्विन में तो कुछ ना कुछ इशू आना ही है, तो वो नॉर्मल
There were
नॉर्मल
two
बोल रही।
placentas, which is such
हाँ,
a good case. I mean,
यस
low
यस,
risk
एंड
pregnancy.
लो रिस्क
Yeah.
प्रेगनेंसी, तो उनको लग रहा था कि ठीक है 33 की एज भी है और
Yeah, all
यही ट्विन
their
बच्चे भी हैं,
protocols.
अभी बोल रही है
Yeah.
नॉर्मल नॉर्मल नॉर्मल, टाइम आते आते कुछ तो ऐसा हो ही जाएगा कि दैट आई कुड यूज, एंड उनको बोलूंगी कि नहीं हो सकता।
Hmm.
जैसे तपस्या ने बताया, जेस्टेशनल डायबिटीज इज वेरी कॉमन इन केस ऑफ ट्विन प्रेगनेंसी।
Yeah. Hmm.
इट्स लाइक बिकॉज देर आर 2 किड्स, तो
Hmm.
उसी वजह से वो शुगर वाला फैक्टर। मेरा उन्होंने 3 बार ये शुगर टेस्ट करवाया, मुझे एक बार भी नहीं किसी भी तरीके का शुगर लेवल अप
Yeah.
हो, या
Right.
आयरन का उन्होंने मुझे बोला, मेरा आयरन भी थ्रू आउट आई वाज वेरी, once I had gone to 8 and then she put me on the iron tablets, I couldn't actually take those tablets because इतना nausea होता है उन मेडिसिन से, राइट? आई
So
आई एम फीलिंग
constipating.
अदरवाइज सो हैप्पी एंड in my flow enjoying myself, and the moment I take दवाई लेते ही ना मेरे को लाइक आई एम नॉट माई सेल्फ एनी मोर, मेरे को लगता है कि आई कांट फील एनीथिंग, दिमाग ऐसे ब्लर होने लग जाता है,
Mm.
कॉन्स्टिपेटेड, यू नॉट इंजॉइंग फूड, नोजिया अननेसेसरी। तो मैंने बोला यार मैं नहीं ले सकती मेडिसिन, समथिंग दैट आई जस्ट कुडंट डू। तो
Mm.
मैंने कहा कि मैं दवाई नहीं लूंगी, फूड से जितना पूरा होगा आई विल डू इट, एंड माय हीमोग्लोबिन
Mm.
शॉट अप। I
Wow.
looked into my diet, included more greens. Pumpkin seeds are a very, very good source of iron. वो
Pumpkin
मैंने
and
बहुत
pumpkin seeds both are
हाँ,
great in pregnancy.
वो तो मैंने वो बहुत खाया। बीट रूट, एक बार तो मैंने बीट रूट का पूरा, सिर्फ प्योर बीट रूट का एक ग्लास जूस बना के मैंने पिया, एंड
Wow.
आई प्यूक्ड लाइक विद इन सेकेंड्स।
बॉडी को बहुत दे दिया आयरन, इतना नहीं चाहिए मेरे को। Get this done
तो मैंने कहा कि
with.
माय बॉडी डजंट नीड, आई डोंट नो व्हाई एम आई लो इन हीमोग्लोबिन, बट मेरी बॉडी को
Yeah.
जरूरत नहीं है, आई जस्ट गो स्लो ऑन माय
Many
सेल्फ।
people don't realize that hemoglobin is a protein. It's a protein. It
ओह,
binds and it takes
हम्म
oxygen, and your iron levels are also monitored differently. So
हम्म
if your body doesn't need
हम्म
a greater amount of that protein, because when the
हम्म
blood volume increases, The blood
Hmm.
volume will increase, blood will get more
Yeah.
diluted.
Yeah.
The,
Yeah.
the amount of protein, however, the hemoglobin stays the same. So naturally, women will not be the same at the same level of
Hmm.
hemoglobin as they were
Hmm.
before. But that's how
Before.
it naturally works. So if it's 9, if it's
Hmm.
within the 10 range, we are good to
Hmm.
go and we
We
don't
agree.
stress on कि 12 ही होना चाहिए because क्या पता 12 नहीं चाहिए आपके शरीर को.
हाँ, हाँ। वही उन्होंने मुझे बोला, शी केप्ट ऑन सेइंग कि 12 से कम अगर आया है तो मैं इंजेक्शन दूँगी, आयरन शॉट्स दूँगी। आई सेड आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टेक दोज़ शॉट्स, आई विल चेंज माय डॉक्टर। आप
Yeah. And
ऐसे
you
थोड़ी
did
है कि आप
change,
मुझे
no?
दोगे। या आई
Meenakshi
डिड।
eventually, yeah, you went to
हाँ, आई
Sitaram
डिड।
Bhartiya.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
went to Sitaram. So yeah, that was good thing, like I would say यहाँ पे रह के मेरी choices बहुत limited हो चुकी थी दिव्या with
absolutely.
twin
Women do
pregnancy.
not have, with
हाँ, we
twin, you
don't
did
have
not have
options.
options.
Hmm.
Even with a single pregnancy
Hmm.
today, the environment is such that women do not have options. And the purpose with this podcast is to bring out that you do have
Hmm.
options.
Hmm.
Let's explore them better. There are birth workers here. Now we are
Yeah.
expanding as a community. There are more people who can support. So yeah, look out of the box. And it's not always easy. I was not with my first, like, I only have one baby. I didn't know better.
Yeah.
So yeah, can't blame ourselves all the while. We don't have options, and the herd
Yeah.
is walking one way. So yeah.
हाँ, तो मुझे लगता है कि सीताराम भारती में जब मैं गई तो दे टुक मी पॉजिटिवली, एटलीस्ट दे हैड शोन मी सम रिस्पेक्ट कि अच्छा ठीक है, मतलब मेरे को ऐसे बिल्कुल जाती है, ऐसे नहीं उन्होंने पागल करार नहीं दे दिया कि क्या बोल रही है, मतलब 36 वीक
Hmm.
पे यू आर कमिंग टू द
Hmm.
हॉस्पिटल एंड सेइंग विद ट्विन्स इन योर वूम कि मेरी नॉर्मल डिलीवरी करा दो, एंड दे वैलिडेटेड कि होता है, it's not it's not abnormal to think like that. This happens, birth happens, twin births also happens naturally, and no, there is no risk to any of your kids.
Yeah, and Sita Ram is, I just wanted to mention, Sita Ram is not corporate. Sita Ram is
Hmm.
semi-government. So they do
Government,
have to
yeah.
give their stats back to the government and they cannot
Yeah.
unnecessarily do a surgery. Whereas private hospitals are not bound to give out their statistics or there is not enough surveillance for their statistics to be checked because they might have a lot of cesarean but might end up saying I have this much normal as my rate or might not give their statistics at all. So yeah, just wanted to bring that out because the care changed
Yeah,
for
that
you
is very
completely.
important. That is very important. Uh, Although they charged a very a heavy amount from us because I went in the last moment, but I'm fine. I don't mind that as far as it was about me and my babies. I
Yeah.
wanted a safe, normal pregnancy and informed birth under my circumstances. तो मेरे
Yeah,
को था कि
lovely.
ठीक है, आप यूजुअली ये हॉस्पिटल वाले क्या बोलते हैं कि आपका ट्विन है ना, आपको हम एक बच्चे पे इतना डिस्काउंट दे देंगे। मतलब क्या आपको क्या लग रहा है कि मेरे बच्चे, मतलब क्या पैकेज, किस चीज़ का पैकेज दे रहे हो आप मुझे? दिस हैज़ गॉन टू द लेवल ऑफ इंसैनिटी। यू कांट अंडर लाइक नो, यू कैन नॉट सेल एवरीथिंग।
You can't put a price point at a
राइट,
baby.
या आई मीन मेरे को बोल रहे हैं आप 2 बच्चों का स्टेम सेल कराने का आपको इतना लगेगा, विल गिव यू 50% ऑफ ऑन द सेकंड चाइल्ड, एवरीथिंग विल गिव यू 50% ऑफ ऑन द सेकंड चाइल्ड। आप सिजेरियन कराओगे तो because you have two placenta, you have two babies, ideally we should charge you for two babies, but since आप एक ही बेड ऑक्यूपाई करोगे, we'll give you 75% off. What the fuck? I was like, क्या मतलब, you can't lure me that ways. Money doesn't.
Hmm. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You're not selling a commodity. It's about health.
मतलब
Yeah.
मैं ये नहीं बोलना चाह रही हूँ कि मैं बहुत अर्न, मैं तो खैर अभी अर्न ही नहीं कर रही हूँ, बट ऐसा नहीं
It's
है कि
about
माय हस्बैंड।
compassion. Yeah,
कंपैशन,
Meenakshi, it's
राइट,
about
राइट।
compassion and about
या,
transparency. So if you
या,
think a normal birth will take more resources, more amount of
हाँ,
effort on the part of the on the hospital, the institution,
या,
more people will be observing the woman because it is work on the part of the care provider. Tell me that. Tell me with all real, authentic self that it will take money to lay low paise. I'm happy to give. Then cheat me because it's convenient for you to do a surgery in 15 minutes and protect your resources, save your time, save your holidays, save your convenience while I, at the end of the day, do not get what I asked for, thinking
Right.
it was not possible. So that's lie. That's unethical. This here is,
Unethical to the extent कि वो फिफ्थ सिक्स मंथ पे दे स्टार्ट सेलिंग यू आउट द रूम्स कि आप ये डिलक्स बुक कराओगे या फिर आप ये लग्जरी बुक
yeah,
कराओगे, तो अगर आप
yeah,
अभी बुक करा लोगे तो हम आपको फिर और इतना डिस्काउंट, ये स्वीट रूम बुक कराओगे तो हम इसमें आपको 6 मंथ में आप बुक कराओगे, हम आपको और डिस्काउंट देंगे। अगर आप अपना बर्थ प्लान कर लोगे पहले से, विच मीन सी सेक्शन, तो हम
surgery.
आपको और, हाँ, और हम आपको विल गिव यू एडिशनल बेनिफिट्स। आई डोंट नो, इट डजंट वर्क फॉर मी, इट डजंट वर्क लाइक दैट।
Yeah,
मुझे नहीं
of
पता, हो
course.
सकता है
Yeah.
इंश्योरेंस कम्स इनटू, एंड आई डोंट नो हाउ
Insurance
थिंग्स
does. It does come into.
वर्क।
In my case, it did. The
या
moment the insurance papers went in, the doctor was willing to wait because I had a pretty quick labor. It was quick to dilate. But after 7, 8 hours, the doctor said it's going to take another 5 hours or so. She's there. She's doing well. But as soon as the insurance papers went in, some sort of an emergency came up. And yeah, thankfully, in my case, the doctor confessed she did not have time. And my only answer to her, and time and resources and the amount of effort it goes, and people don't pay. My answer was ask for money. Be transparent. Ask for money. Those who can pay, they'll pay. At least we'll know. Yeah.
या इट वाज, मेरे को लगता है जैसे मैं तुम्हें और तपस्या को बोल रही थी यू शुड चार्ज मोर, आई एम रेडी टू पे बट ठीक है, विल कम टू
Touch
दैट,
wood.
बट या
Yeah.
इट्स अ सर्विस, राइट। मुझे
Mm.
था कि टेल, आई डोंट, मतलब मेरे को नहीं फर्क पड़ा कि हॉस्पिटल का बिल कितना आया, मेरे पास
Mm.
इंश्योरेंस भी नहीं था, सो वी पेड एवरी सिंगल पेनी इनटू कैश। अ,
Mm.
ठीक है, अब आज तक भी मेरे को उस बात का मलाल नहीं है क्योंकि वो मेरे पास बेस्ट चॉइस थी, एंड एंड इन दैट period of time I was happy that I was there. I
And you had a
felt
normal birth with
you
twins.
had a, yes, yes, it was a vaginal birth, at least my children could come through that
Yeah.
natural rite of passage, right?
Yeah.
वो मेरे
Yes.
लिए भी वो पोर्टल ओपन हुआ, एंड
Like goosebumps.
यस, और मेरे मतलब मैंने 9 महीने इतना एफर्ट डाला था, तो इट लेड मी समवेयर एंड आई वाज हैप्पी। स्टेम सेल का एक दूसरा, एक और जो कॉर्पोरेट हॉस्पिटल्स में चलता है, आई वाज नॉट अगेन कन्विंस्ड एंड मैंने अपना फिर से रिसर्च किया, मैंने बहुत रिसर्च किया, फ्रेंड से भी बात की। एक फ्रेंड है जो डब्ल्यूएचओ में काम कर रहा था उस वक्त, और कुछ कुछ फ्रेंड्स जो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने, देयर इज दिस वेबसाइट व्हिच आई हैव फॉरगॉटन नाउ, बट दे, आई रिसर्च्ड एंड आई काइंड ऑफ गूगल्ड a lot of things, or I came upon this where they have clearly mentioned that there is no proof that these stem cells can actually cure any illness. There is no guarantee. It is just the research, which is, it's an ongoing research, not an established research, and it might turn anyways. Like 10 years down the line, we may say that we have to close all these storage centers because this blood is
Mm.
of no use. The
Yeah.
technology has developed so much that we
Yeah.
can do the same thing through other mediums.
I want to add to that, Meenakshi, and with stem cell at that time, my doctor also said
Mm,
that because I asked a lot of people, nobody was
mm,
ready. Everybody gave me a very diplomatic answer. Take low 50-50%. That doctor said, Divya, India mein light kitni aati hai? How many? And there are only two centers. One is Kolkata, one is Mumbai. And the rest of them are frauds. Some of them do not even have a center or a place where they're storing blood cells. And it's like, जब light ही नहीं है, do you think they're going to preserve something as, critical as this? And the second we already know.
absolutely, absolutely.
Yeah.
Because the same thing I was told by my friends, and they were like, it's absolute scam. लोग पे कर रहे हैं इसके लिए। रोड्स कैसे हैं हमारे यहाँ पे, रोड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर कैसा है, डू यू थिंक -170 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड पे, एंड इट इज नॉट वन डे कि आप एक दिन -170 पे रख लो और बैठ जाओ आराम से। यू हैव टू कंसिस्टेंटली कॉन्स्टेंटली मेंटेन दैट टेम्परेचर फॉर एवर, even if you
Right.
transport these cells, right,
Yeah.
even when they are into transportation। तो हमारे यहाँ पे क्या हाल है ट्रांसपोर्ट का, हमारे यहाँ पे क्या हाल है इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का,
Mm.
और मतलब मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा लोग क्यों पे करते हैं इसके लिए।
And then they get their cord cut immediately for this.
इमीडिएटली या तो जब मैंने मेरी डॉक्टर से पूछा सीताराम में, तो उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि क्या व्हाट स्टेम सेल, दिस इज ऑल नॉनसेंस, डोंट डू इट अगेन बिकॉज दैट वाज हिज गवर्नमेंट सेटअप, राइट?
Yeah, government. Yeah.
नो, डोंट डू एनी सच थिंग, यू डोंट हैव टू। तो मैंने बोला कि अच्छा वहाँ पे तो बिकॉज वहाँ पे तो देवर आस्किंग अस कि आप एडमिशन के टाइम से नो नो नो, यहाँ पे nobody will force you, you don't have to opt for it,
Nobody
there's
is
no
getting
credibility.
commission out of it.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, there's no credibility. And I was like, wow. So, you know, at least from where I was to, I progressed to some level. And that was kind
Wow.
of made me happy कि at least I
Yeah.
have a place जो कुछ तो सुन रहा है मुझे, कुछ तो मुझे
Genuine. Yeah.
मोटिवेशन मिल रही है,
Yeah.
मेरी इनर वॉइस को कुछ तो स्ट्रेंथ मिल रही है बिकॉज
Mm.
my mother-in-law was like, you know, try and avoid it. But I don't think
Mm.
authority ke samne she would also have been able to take a stand. And
True.
I'm so glad these two women were not there.
That's true. Yeah.
I'm so glad, and I'm so
Mm.
glad कि मैंने मेरे बच्चों को अकेले पाला है और कोई भी नहीं था मेरे साथ उस वक्त। I'm so
Mm.
thankful to my family for not being here,
Yeah.
and although that was a forced circumstance, COVID happened.
You've made
So
an unconventional choice when it
yes,
comes to schooling your children. You are a homeschooling mother. You have your children. You're raising them on your intuition, which is the highest when it comes to the parent-child relationship. Or it's beautiful, and that's a blessing. A cocoon you could get your own cocoon to ripe your children and to grow them. Yeah,
या एक पॉइंट के बाद नहीं फर्क पड़ता है, जैसे तुम या मैं, अब वी आर
Hmm,
लिविंग विद फैमिलीज, राइट? बट वी
of course,
now we know we are beyond that point. We've
of
crossed
course.
that point where anybody could have influenced us or asked us to do things.
Yeah.
So yeah, but to reach at that level, you need some space first for yourself where you can, you
Hmm.
know, understand what is going on,
And
observe
think
and
freely. Hmm.
think freely and gather some courage. हमारे लिए वो भी बहुत वो होता है ना
As
कि
women. Hmm.
एज वुमेन, हाँ। तो उससे मतलब मेरे अंदर ना बहुत स्ट्रेंथ आ गया था। दो छोटे, व्हेन यू हैव टू स्मॉल चिल्ड्रन, टू स्मॉल बेबीज, या सो
Yeah.
उनको अकेले रेस करना, मतलब या दैट वाज, एंड आई डिडंट गो इनटू पीपीडी, आई डिडंट गो इनटू
And you breastfed both of them. You tandem fed.
yeah, I was pretty much myself. So yeah, I think yeah, it was
Your birth experience in some ways did play into it. So overall, would you say it was, despite being a hospital birth, were you were happy about what you got? You were in a good mind space. Yeah.
तो वो हमारा जैसे हमें पता हो ना, इन्फॉर्म चॉइस लेते हैं हम,
Hmm.
इन्फॉर्म्ड रहते हैं कि हम। बट उससे पहले भी मेरे को ये था दिव्या, मैंने 9 महीने कुछ नहीं किया, मतलब आई सेलिब्रेटेड दिस प्रेगनेंसी ईच एंड एवरी डे। आई एम नॉट सेइंग दोस गर्ल्स हु वर्क दे डोंट सेलिब्रेट और एनीथिंग लाइक दैट, बट इट्स जस्ट दैट अगेन इट वाज अ कॉन्शियस चॉइस, आई वाज नॉट रेडी टू वर्क। दो बच्चों को मतलब अपनी वूम में रखना और काम करना, ये दोनों चीजें मैं एक साथ नहीं कर सकती, मैं कोलैप्स हो जाऊंगी। तो
Hmm.
मेरे लिए वो कॉन्शियस चॉइस थी कि मेरे को काम नहीं करना है। एंड माय हस्बैंड काइंड ऑफ, yeah, he was into it, he was like ठीक है, you take the decision. Yeah,
That's a wise choice. Yeah.
या आई थिंक
Hmm.
वो फिर वो हमारे पास मतलब फ्रीडम टू चूज तो होना चाहिए, लेकिन इवन इफ वी हैव फ्रीडम टू चूज, I think then it is the onus on us is to make the choice, right? To make the right choice. Yeah. है ना?
Love that you kept yourself before
Yeah.
everything else and your children before the gendered roles. Like you're saying, मैंने काम ही नहीं किया. It's important for you to heal after having given birth. You had two placentas, meaning you had two wounds, and you had, you, even though after a normal birth the recovery is faster, but at the end of the day, energetically there's a lot of recovery that needs women to slow down. So, and that's a good message. We are not slowing down, which is why our preparation, yeah, our 9 months preparation doesn't go into, see, the body takes 9 months to make a baby to prepare for birth, but we don't support it emotionally to prepare for birth and utilize the time. People are growing, like this knowledge is growing on them, and they have begun it, but we are still far from what could be the norm.
Unconsciously we do get access, we get glimpse as women, of that.
Yeah.
We need time, we should give time to this baby because the baby starts telling us. And like, I don't know if we have talked about, but I think, yeah, that my childhood was not a very happy healthy one.
Hmm.
Unfortunately, I don't come from those circumstances, and so it was very important for me to not pass on that to my children. Yeah.
And you're doing a wonderful work of
Yeah.
being aware and conscious and slowed down enough to be able to unlearn every step of the way. Yeah, and I've read about that in your messages. Not that we've talked about it, but I've read about it, and it inspires me in so many ways, Meenakshi. And at this point, I want to, yeah, take you to your the experience of labor, the first time around with twins. How did that happen? And did you birth your placenta in the hospital? And was it, yeah?
Don't even ask me. I have no idea.
So there was no birthing then.
There was no birthing there. The baby just popped out, and I was like,
Hmm.
okay, मैंने normal birth दे दिया और मेरे को सब appreciate भी.
What was the time difference between the two babies
three
when they
minutes
came?
3 minutes.
Hmm.
They didn't come. They had to be, like, pulled out.
Acha, pulled out. Yeah, 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 yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Yeah.
So because, yeah, that's how it is. Unfortunately,
It was
it's just like,
painful. I'm sure it
yeah,
must be
it was
painful for you.
painful to the core. Yeah,
Yeah.
very very painful.
Yeah.
But yeah, so labor, I was getting Braxton Hicks around after 37th week onwards.
Hmm.
Yeah, and I think I went into induction at 38 weeks 3 days. I think if I would have waited for about, even when I was going, I was thinking that I know I'm missing out on that. I know I needed one more week, but then
Yeah.
I had no other choice, right? So I was like, then I surrendered. I was, अब भगवान पे है, ठीक है, जो हो रहा है जैसे हो रहा है, it's fine, I accept. And that kind of made it easy. My own cousin sister, जो कि मेरे से 8 साल बड़ी हैं, and she is like, she is someone like, हम जैसे बड़ी बहनों को देखते हैं, she is
Hmm.
like, that figure to me. और उनकी नॉर्मल हुए हुए हैं. शी हैड, आई थिंक आई मेंशन इन द ग्रुप one time, each time the male baby would die inside the womb for some reasons, I don't know. But she gave 5 natural birth. She had 5 natural, yeah, 3 of them were male child, so they couldn't live,
Survive. Hmm.
survive. One died after 1 day of birth, which the doctor said that the baby would die. So she had 3 of them and 2 beautiful
Girls.
girls that, yeah, she has today. और उनका नॉर्मल था, उनके पांचों बच्चे. तो मैंने उनसे बहुत बात करती थी मैं उनसे कि मुझे तो वो भी मेरे को बोलती थी कि नहीं, कुछ नहीं, मेरे टाइम पे तो ऐसे था कि लेबर घर पे रहो, लेबर के टाइम.
Hmm.
और एक फर्स्ट टाइम में मैं गई थी डॉक्टर के पास, तो शी सेंट मी बैक कि तुम अपना आराम से जाओ, खाओ पियो, एंड कम व्हेन यू स्टार्ट
Really are in
एक्सपीरियंस.
active labor.
हाँ, हाँ,
हाँ.
हाँ,
Hmm.
एक्टिव लेबर में. तो शाम तक वो बोली कि मैं आई थी, एंड देन आई वेंट.
इससे
3
पहले
दिन
वो राजस्थान में थी,
वहाँ पे.
your place,
हाँ,
which is
my
a smaller place in terms of
smaller place. Yeah, yeah, yeah,
old style practicing.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
एंड अभी भी अगर मैं वहाँ पे बताऊँ, सिजेरियन वहाँ पे ज़्यादा हो रही हैं. वहाँ पे सिजेरियन होने की रीज़न इज़ completely different from what we see here, but very similar as well. The doctor would say कि normal हो जाएगा, but the girls, they don't want to try it.
Yeah. The
So
fear.
unfortunate. So
Yeah, it's very
unfortunate. Yeah.
very unfortunate. Real stories of labor and birth are not out there because जब कोई
Yeah.
experience ही नहीं कर पाएगा तो कोई कैसे बताएगा that it's not gonna break your bones, it's not
हाँ,
gonna be a
हाँ,
suffering.
yeah.
Yeah,
एंड वहाँ पे भी
yeah.
वो लोग ऐसे नहीं करते हैं कि आपको 37 वीक हो गया, चलो बच्चा निकाल देते हैं.
Hmm. Hmm.
वो बोलते हैं कि अगर आपका चल रहा है, नॉर्मल चल रहा है सब कुछ, तो
चलने
लेट द
दो.
चाइल्ड स्टे इनसाइड. तो
Hmm.
38 39 वीक तक दे गो. Just that if the woman has already made up her mind कि मुझे cesarean ही चाहिए, then the doctor would also start thinking, no, then
Of
why am I
course.
wasting my time, right?
Yeah.
If you've already made your choice,
Yeah.
then let's do it.
Hmm.
But because they don't have very good infrastructure, thankfully, उनके पास
Hmm.
नींबू नहीं होता है. उनके पास सिर्फ एक अपना
Hmm.
छोटा सा चैम्बर और छोटा सा सेटअप होता है जहाँ पे वो सिर्फ
Hmm.
सिजेरियन परफॉर्म करके और यू नो रिकवरी पे फोकस कर सकते हैं. तो वो मतलब वो अर्ली प्री टर्म या दे डोंट वांट टू गेट इनटू दैट दोस ट्रबल्स. So they will.
Yeah, they make a wiser choice. They wouldn't take that risk of having the baby out earlier. They want a healthier child because they don't have that kind of a service to be able to work with the baby later. Wow, that's such a profound aspect of how so many factors go into what care you're getting. So it's a more of a simple care with little things that we have at hand to do, the better you're going to have as an experience.
मेरी खुद की फैमिली में
Hmm.
मेरी फ्रेंड्स कह लो या फिर मेरी कजिन्स कह लो, गांव की मेरे साथ की जो मेरी सहेलियां हैं, मैंने उनसे जब पूछा तो कोई बोल रहा है यार पहले लेबर में. अब क्या हो गया कि वी लॉस्ट द आर्ट ऑफ बर्थिंग एज
True.
अ
Wow.
सोसाइटी.
So beautiful. Art of birthing. Yeah.
या so that is completely gone. It's nowhere, right? Some of us are, like you, Tapasya, you guys are trying to KL. आप लोगों के थ्रू वो साइंस वापस आ रहा है, लेकिन हमें इट्स अ लॉन्ग जर्नी दैट वी हैव टू टेक. मेरे गांव में दाई रही हुई है वो, मेरी दादी मैं उनको बोलती हूँ, और तो मैं उनसे भी काफी बात करती थी. हाँ, वो ट्रेडिशनल दाई रही हुई है.
Wow.
एंड शी इज 70 नाउ. तो फॉर लाइक शी सेज कि मेरे को जब तक याद है, उनकी माँ भी दाई थी, तो वो बोलती हैं कि जब तक मुझे याद है, आई ऑलवेज बीन अ वर्कर. तो मैं उनसे पूछती हूँ कि क्या आपके पास क्या है मेरे को हेल्प करने के लिए. जब मैं प्रेग्नेंट थी, ट्विन मेरे को था, मैंने उनको बोला कि मेरे को नहीं बनने, मैं नॉर्मल कराना चाह रही हूँ. शी कुडंट टेल मी एनीथिंग. तो मैंने
Hmm.
उनसे पूछा कि आप अभी कैसे कर रहे हो फिर आप. तो शी इज लाइक कि अभी तो गवर्नमेंट नहीं अलाउ करती है ना, मतलब द आइडिया इज टू टेक मोर वुमेन टू द हॉस्पिटल, सो देयर आर इंसेंटिव टू डाइज टू आशास कि आप हॉस्पिटल लेके आओ. तो वो बोली कि मैं लेके जाती हूँ. लोग जाते नहीं बिकॉज द हॉस्पिटल एक्सपीरियंस. द अदर डे आई शेयर दैट आर्टिकल. इट्स सो हॉरिबल फॉर
Yeah.
women. Women,
Yeah.
the lower income strata women, they don't want to go to those hospitals.
It's it's humiliating. Yeah. It's everybody together like it's one hall. The families sit outside and many women in their families because they come from villages have birthed in the safety and in the comfort of their own houses. Extreme, not having privacy and all of that. And what you mentioned, Meenakshi, about this Janani Suraksha Yojana and Nutan Auntie, Nutan Lakhan Pandit, whose episode will also come out. Her and I were talking this morning, and she also mentions this on the podcast that it's so sad that we are trying to call it that we're trying to reduce cesarean sections or say bring down the infant mortality and maternal mortality rates. But what we're doing at the end of the day is not incorporating the wisdom of the dais who did provide us um, more normal births into the system. So we at the same time do two things. Yes, we provide the safety of cesarean sections when they're needed, which is rare. But at the same time, we keep the ecosystem intact to be able to allow women to keep having normal births. There was in there was this report from the National Family Health India's NFHS. Yeah, the fifth report that has come out, and it says because of Janani Suraksha Yojana and bringing more institutionalization of births, the cesarean section rates have gone up, and we're not looking at it right now, but after we've brought
We will
everybody
be
to the system.
compelled to look at it because we know the kind of havoc this whole thing creates on your body is absolute madness, complete madness. I feel so sorry for those girls and the babies
Yeah,
born through that phase.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah, absolutely.
yeah.
Yeah, these are basic right. एंड तो मैं उनको बोलती हूँ कि आप मेरे को कुछ गिव मी सम टिप्स. मैंने उनको बोला. शी वाज रिलक्टेंट टू बिकॉज वो बोली कि अभी आजकल की लड़कियां नहीं इतना, they are not ready to take the pain.
Hmm.
And from the government side also, we will have to bear the, if anything goes wrong.
Scrutiny, a lot of scrutiny on the right workers and less. Hmm. Hmm.
And that kind of made me sad because 20 साल से वो बच्चे पैदा करा रही हैं, एंड शी इज लाइक, मैंने जंगल में, झाड़ी में, बस में, कार में, घर में, सब जगह आई हैव सीन बर्थ हैपनिंग एंड
Yeah.
बीइंग अ विटनेस टू दोज मोमेंट्स. देयर इज सो मच शेम अराउंड हर प्रोफेशन, उनके खुद के अंदर है वो इतना, and it's just so sad. Each time I meet her.
Yeah. Yeah, it's very sad. And I think more than shame, it has also been about, a feeling of inferiority that has been, because the doctors, the white collared people who are the experts, and those or the community birth workers who actually are the experts in normal births, traditional midwives, they've been robbed of their own experience. How do you discount that experience when you see a young doctor come in only as a surgeon only after having learned how to do these many cesareans in their studies, and they are not having seen raw natural basic births. I mean, they will be amazed how boring and simple births can be than their brain being constantly stressed out to prevent something from going wrong when things do not go wrong most of the times. It's so, I mean,
मेरी खुद की फैमिली में होम बर्थ को लेके काफी ट्रॉमा था, बिकॉज माय मदर,
mm,
माय आंट, everybody had home births. If I tell you, all my friends that I know in my village, all my cousins, we're all born at home. None of us
mm,
have been born in the hospital. It was
mm,
that normal, just 25 years back, right? It was
yeah.
like the last of my cousin was born in 95. Until
At
that time, I'm
home.
telling you, yeah,
Wow.
at home, you know. So it was that normal. And come to today, और अब मैं जैसे पूछती हूँ तो मेरे को the only concern my family had was who will wash the blood, who will collect the what they call is गंदगी कौन साफ करेगा.
Yeah, yeah. Let's address this in the next chapter of this your story, where we talk in depth about how did you arrive at uh, you know the home birth and the decision to birth at home. Before that, in this episode, because we spoke about your experience, your previous experience, is there something, Meenakshi, you would like to tell young women today, um, when they are planning, when they have their first pregnancy? What is it that you would recommend them? Because a lot of, I do understand, not everybody would be able to jump or arrive at the decision of a home birth, and it's okay, it's their story. Um, they will have to peel off the answers and, like you were saying, unlearn through the journey themselves. But what would you advise them? What helped you the most from going from your first pregnancy and even that journey, plus including not just B to C, A to C? Yeah.
A to C. यार you so right यार दिव्या, तुमने बोल ही दिया है ना, all of it, A to C. मतलब अगर मैं लर्निंग सिर्फ बताऊंगी कि देखो ऐसा कर लो, तो that won't be out of context, है ना.
Yeah.
जैसे context is very very important. I think where we are in this journey right now, where I was, that decides the path that we are going to take, and how are we going to move forward. But I think there has to be कुछ नॉन निगोशिएबल हमारे होते हैं. वो नॉन निगोशिएबल भी एज के और टाइम के साथ बदलेंगे ऑफ कोर्स, बट इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट कि हमें एटलीस्ट उतना अंडरस्टैंडिंग और क्लैरिटी हो कि हम उस प्लेस ऑफ पावर से ऑपरेट कर रहे हैं. वी हैव द अथॉरिटी टू डिसाइड. आई थिंक बर्थ इन अ वे, अपर मिडिल क्लास सोसाइटीज की अगर मैं बात करूं, जिसका तुम और मैं पार्ट हैं, हमारी सोसाइटीज में there is already some authority to most of us. Uh, but when you're deciding कि we want to have a baby, we want to have a child of our own, so that decides where you are and what you're going to do. But whatever you do, stay true to yourself. डू नॉट विक्टिमाइज योरसेल्फ लाइक अभी जैसे मेरे को पता है कि मेरी चॉइसेस क्या हैं. मैं बहुत रेडिकल नहीं जा सकती हूँ बिकॉज आई एम नॉट दैट पर्सन, और मैं बहुत ज्यादा इन लाइन भी नहीं रह इसमें. आई वुड ट्राई टू फाइंड अ मिडिल वे. But whatever be your circumstance, right, we can be rebel also. Some of us are. नहीं
Yeah,
सुनते.
absolutely. Yeah.
मैं नहीं हो सकती हूँ तो ठीक है, फिर जो मेरे ऑप्शन है मैंने वो किया है. ऐसा नहीं है कि मेरे को मतलब कि कोई ले गया है या किसी ने कर दिया है या
किसी ने, I was under force. I
नहीं.
think that's
लेकिन
what
now
you're trying
the
to say.
problem with that is most of us are into that space already. The market is betting heavily on this women who they know would make choice during her motherhood, and they are trying to entice you, sell you, market you, glamorize, romanticize the motherhood in every each and every way possible, starting from the pregnancy shoot से लेके आपको ये बताया जाता है कि अरे बच्चा ऐसे झूलेगा तो कितना अच्छा लगेगा, ये कपड़े पहनेगा तो कितना अच्छा लगेगा.
Hmm.
एंड आई एम अ कंज्यूमरिस्ट बाय
कैसे,
नेचर.
बट कैसे
मैंने
पैदा होगा उसके बारे में कोई
वही
नहीं
वो
बता रहा
बता
है.
रहे हैं. हाँ, वो बोलते हैं कि व्हाई डू यू हैव टू वरी, लीव इट अपॉन अस, नो यू जस्ट
Hmm.
रिलैक्स एंड एंजॉय. है ना, आप
The
कोई
side
टेंशन.
effects of, yeah,
हाँ,
feminism as
फेमिनिज्म,
well.
राइट. हाँ, एब्सोल्युटली एब्सोल्युटली. एंड हमें लगता है कि हाँ दे राइट, व्हाई शुड आई टेक द पेन, यू नो, व्हाई कैन नॉट आई हैव, व्हाई शुड why should I deprive myself of feeling the pleasure of it? All these choices are being made by the women, by me. The family is just supporting and going by what I'm saying. मैं बोल रही हूँ मेरे हस्बैंड को कि मेरे को वहाँ पे प्रेगनेंसी शूट चाहिए, तो ही इज लाइक अच्छा ठीक है बताओ क्या करना है. तो मैं सर्च करूंगी कि ये फोटोग्राफर है, ये बेस्ट है, ये कॉस्ट्यूम पहने, बच्चा पैदा होते ये पहनेगा, और मैं इतने बजे हॉस्पिटल में चेक इन करूंगी, ये करूंगी, मैं वो करूंगी. द इन लॉज आर आल्सो काइंड ऑफ हाँ हाँ यस यस विल डू दिस. गुब्बारे लगाएंगे, सेलिब्रेट करेंगे, हम बेबी शावर कर रहे हैं, हम सब कुछ कर रहे हैं. That is the problem. Then when we say कि you know like
Hmm.
I think we are just making a fool of ourselves and we are being lazy where we don't want to, बिकॉज सोशल मीडिया जहाँ पे इतनी इन्फॉर्मेशन दे
Hmm.
रहा है वहाँ पे ये सब इन्फॉर्मेशन मुझे भी सोशल मीडिया से ही मिली थी. आई नो, मुझे नहीं पता था बर्थ राइट एग्जिस्ट करता है, मुझे ये भी नहीं पता था बर्थ राइट एग्जिस्टेंस में कैसे आया. Right, so it is upon us what we choose to
Hmm.
search and what we choose to seek.
Yeah.
एंड
Yeah.
मैंने भी एक
Yeah.
बहुत लंबा लिस्ट बनाया था दिव्या कि मैं ये खरीदूंगी क्योंकि बच्चे को ये तो चाहिएगा ही पैदा होते हुए. ये इस तरीके का
Hmm.
झूला, ये वाला मोबाइल, ये वाली कोट, मैं सब कुछ बनाया था.
Hmm.
एंड बिकॉज हम सब उस मार्केट के पार्ट हैं और फर्स्ट प्रेगनेंसी में भी नहीं पता होता है, तो इट इज ओके, इट्स फाइन, यू डू ऑल ऑफ दैट. आई एम नॉट सेइंग आप मत करो, आपको अच्छा लग रहा है आप करो.
Hmm.
बट
Hmm.
अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई आर यू डूइंग दिस, व्हाई वाज आई डूइंग दिस. इज मुझे
Hmm.
क्या अच्छा लग रहा है, मेरी जेब से पैसे जा रहे थे, मुझे नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है. मेरे को दिखाया
Hmm.
था कि उसमें जब बच्चा बैठता है तब वो अच्छा लगता है. ऑनेस्टली
Hmm.
इट डजंट हैपन दैट वेज.
You're gonna
नीड
have your baby on you all the while.
नॉट हैपन
So if
दैट
at
वेज.
all anything, have
हाँ,
have better, have something
या
else for yourself.
और दोस मिटन कैप्स की पैदा होते ही उसको ये पहना देंगे. मैंने माय डॉक्टर फर्स्ट टाइम डॉक्टर शी सेड मी, तुम व्हाई आर यू कैरिंग सो मच ऑफ लगेज विद यू. आई सेड आई थॉट यू नो द बेबी नीड्स क्लोथ्स व्हेन दे. सीताराम का ये सब चीजें उन्होंने मुझे बहुत
Good.
या
Yeah.
दे टोल्ड मी, शी वाज लाइक द बेबी डजंट नीड क्लोथ, नॉट दिस मच, जिस जो मैं इतना उठा के
Hmm.
लेके आई हूँ. तो आई वाज
Hmm.
लाइक ओके, I got you.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
think, and now when I see
Yeah.
the picture of baby into clothes, it just breaks my heart. I'm like, why really?
Yeah. Yeah.
It just breaks
Yeah,
my
we just, even at home births,
heart.
we ask the parents to have a little blanket and just
Yeah,
have them on your body and keep changing the blanket. You don't have to
yeah,
start even putting those
yeah,
clothes onto the baby. And it's the freer they are, the better their
yeah.
body gets aerated because they're gonna peel off the skin, which at many times we don't see babies who are too
Hmm.
take their peel off their skin. They still do. I mean, with all the lotions, you don't end up seeing, and the
Yeah.
baby doesn't. So I think to summarize, Minakshi, what you were trying to say, I think was that outside of the noise of whatever is presented to
Hmm.
you, go back to what your core desire for birth is and
Mm,
start
mm,
your search from there and be curious.
mm.
So if
Be
home
curious.
birth, yeah, if home birth comes across you, maybe at the first pregnancy, you might dismiss this as risky, but it's good to ask who told me it's risky. It's the same
Mm.
market that you
Yeah,
spoke about. It's the
yeah,
same media that is telling me that an epidural is better,
yeah,
an episiotomy is better, not
yeah.
birthing my placenta. I mean, none. I didn't see my placenta. I didn't know.
ये
Uh,
मुझे नहीं पता था। मुझे तपस्या ने बाद में बताया जो कि मुझे नहीं याद था। लेकिन जब मेरा होम बर्थ हुआ
hmm,
देन शी सेड मी यू हैव टू लाइक वी हैव टू बर्थ योर
birth your
प्लेसेंटा।
placenta.
तो मुझे फर्स्ट टाइम में कुछ नहीं पता था। मेरे को बिल्कुल आइडिया नहीं था जबकि मैंने नूतन मैम की क्लासेस भी अटेंड की थी और मैंने काफ़ी कुछ किया था। और होम बर्थ से आई वाज़ नॉट स्कैर्ड, आई वाज़ रादर लुकिंग फॉर अ प्लेस जहाँ पे मेरे को
Yeah.
एक्सपीरियंस मिल सके।
Yeah,
बट
you were
मेरे को
so
नहीं मिला।
decided. Yeah, I
या, या,
remember. You were
या,
from the
आई
very
थिंक
first day, you were so calm. Yeah, like
या
you already knew you wanted to birth at home.
बर्थ या
It was that.
आई थिंक
Yeah.
वही मतलब मेरे को लगता है कि फर्स्ट बर्थ में हम सब थोड़े डरे हुए होते हैं एंड इट्स
It's
ओके।
normal to take that trajectory. There's no
Yeah,
virtue in knowing
yeah,
everything from the
yeah,
beginning.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
But some of
Yeah.
us, like जैसे the other girls who are part of our home birth community, and we know that they made even better choices. And so again, I'm saying, you know, it comes from where you are in the journey, right? The door will exactly open how much you are able to handle and how much you're able to process. Yeah, I would say
Hmm.
at least be responsible. You've decided to be parents, and I don't know. I was very very clear. I'm not going to birth my kids and raise them the way I was raised. That was my unconsciously. It was into my unconscious which kept me delaying on this decision. And when it came into my conscious, and I knew why I was doing what I was doing, what was leading me. So that inner voice, get in touch with that. It will tell you,
That's
it
a
will give you
lovely thing.
space. Yeah,
Yeah.
I was
Yeah.
very, very, very clear on that part. And I was like, whatever it needs for me to heal myself in my body so that I can, nurture these two souls, I'll do that. This is
Yes,
what it is.
inner voice. So,
Yeah,
yeah, I'll take that inner voice and be curious of whatever comes your way. Just ask questions and let that bring you answers.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Thank you so much, Meenakshi. We'll
Yeah.
sit again for chapter
Yes,
2. We'll go
yes,
at length through your homebirth
yes.
journey because I have to hear from you the experience, not just read. I have to hear from you the experience of homebirth. Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
See you, darling. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Divya. Bye bye. Bye.
There is a field beyond fear, where the body is empowered to take on labor and birth. To land there, it is crucial to take birth education. To enroll into our unique labor and birth preparation course, reach out to us at www.birthagni.com or scroll through all available prenatal and postnatal preparation classes. Thank you for listening, all in the spirit of birth, womanhood, and freedom. Remember, you got the power. This podcast is about physiological birth and does not offer or claim to provide medical knowledge or diagnosis.